There you go, beef chow fun made. So quick, so easy, delicious. We got a bit of charring on the noodles, so we're lucky. Everything's cooked really well. Nice tender beef, come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, beef chow fun. Nice and straightforward. I have some sirloin beef here. I've got some sirloin beef which has been sliced up, look. Already we're going to just put a marinade on for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to crack on and make the beef chow fun. Now marinade today, we are using a little bit of baking soda, a tiny amount, just to tenderize that. We're going in with a little bit of light soy sauce, a splash of sesame oil, and we're going to put some corn flour in, corn starch. Now we're not going to do much, we're only going to do about a teaspoon, somewhere around about there, and we're going to give it a mix up, and that is our marinade. Now you can add a bit of water to this too, and it rehydrates the beef a little bit, you know, and the beef will soak it in. I'll just show you. It helps actually with a little bit of a tender, moist beef. I mean, we put that in there, you give it a scrunch up like that, and that is going to be absorbed in there with that little bit of stuff that we've chucked in. Oh, gone already, look, dry. There you go. I have a little bit of garlic I've already mashed up there, look. I'm going to take this onion, it's half an onion, look, and we want some slices this way. Because we're going long with the noodles, just give it a little break up like that, just makes it a bit easier when we stir fry. Job done. And we're just going to stick that in a bowl, in a little bowl. So there we got onions, we've got garlic, we've got a little bit of green onion which I've already cubed up just for speed, and we got some bean sprouts and some wide fresh noodles, some decent noodles there. So we're ready to go. All we got to do is let that beef marinate 20 minutes and we get cooking. So it's a nice straightforward one, you know. What a flame on. I want some oil in there, we want to heat it up. Get it nice and warm, get your oil distributed around in there with our beef. A nice little sizzle whizzle on that beef. Okay, beef cooked. Out. I'll wipe out. Oil. Garlic. Onions. Noodles. Little bit of oyster sauce, about a tablespoon actually, about a tablespoon. Soy sauce, about a tablespoon dark soy sauce. Little bit of flavour, MSG, beef. That's got that smokiness on there, look. Bean sprouts. Green onions. Save some for the top. Shake of white pepper. Drizzle of sesame oil. Flame off. Stir through. Serve up. Little shake of pepper. Look at that. There we go, beef chow fun made. Noodles. Some really, really nice pieces of beef there. Oh man. There you go, beef chow fun made. So quick, so easy, delicious. We got a bit of charring on the noodles, so we're lucky. Everything's cooked really well. Nice tender beef, come on. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make beef chow fun. And if you do like what we're doing, don't forget a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video.